Welcome to the enchanting world of Greek gardens, where nature and art coalesce in a dance of timeless beauty. Today, join us on a journey through these verdant havens as we unravel the stories behind strange statues that grace the landscapes of Greece. In the embrace of Greece's rich history, the world unfolds before us, revealing not only the beauty of its gardens, but also the incredible lost works of art that these spaces hold. Each statue, a masterpiece in its own right, stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of artistic brilliance. As we explore the hidden corners of Greek gardens, the connection between nature and sculpture deepens. These statues, with their graceful forms, become integral parts of the landscape, a symphony of art and nature that speaks to the heart of Greek culture. Behold the breathtaking beauty etched into these garden wonders. Every curve, every detail tells a story of craftsmanship, history, and the timeless allure of Greek artistry. These statues are not just beautiful, they are invaluable treasures that echo the cultural richness of the ages. In just over a minute, we've scratched the surface of the mesmerizing world of strange statues in Greek gardens. Join the conversation on these incredible works of art that stand as silent witnesses to the beauty hidden within nature's embrace. Subscribe for more insights into the untold stories and cultural treasures that make our world extraordinary. As we conclude this journey, let the statues in Greek gardens inspire a deeper appreciation for the artistry that transcends time. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the treasures that make our world extraordinary.